Day 6. Mary's Song of Praise. Key verse. My soul praises the Lord. Luke 1 verse 46. Children's lesson. When Mary visited Elizabeth and heard her words of blessing, Mary's heart was so full that she began to sing a song to God. We call it Mary's Song or the Magnificat. She praised God because He saw her, He chose her, He is mighty, He does great things, He keeps His promises. Mary reminds us that even when things feel big or surprising, we can stop and thank God for His goodness. Praise makes our hearts happy and helps us remember God is in control. You can praise God too, by singing, praying, or saying thank you. Recipe: praised blueberry muffins. A simple breakfast treat you can make while singing your own song of thanks. Ingredients: 1 box blueberry muffin. Mix water, oil, and eggs as the mix requires. Extra blueberries, optional. A little sugar for sprinkling. Instructions: preheat oven according to box directions. Mix batter as directed. Add extra blueberries if you'd like. Spoon batter into muffin cups. Sprinkle a little sugar on top. Bake until golden and fluffy. Enjoy warm. Bible thought. Mary praised God because He is good and keeps His promises. You can praise God today too. He loves to hear your voice.